Hub, switch, and router may look similar, but they perform completely different jobs. So what's the difference? Let's understand it with a simple example. First, let's talk about a hub.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
A hub is a basic networking device used to connect multiple devices together. When one device sends data through a hub, the hub simply broadcasts that data to all connected ports. For example, if computer A wants to send data to computer B, the hub sends the data to computer B, C, D, and every other connected device. The devices then determine whether the data is actually meant for them. Because of this broadcast behavior, hubs can create more network collisions and reduce performance. A hub operates at layer 1, the physical layer, and it has no intelligent decision-making. That's why hubs are now mostly considered old technology. Now let's look at a switch. A switch is much smarter than a hub. It connects multiple devices within the same local network, but instead of sending data to every device, it forwards the data to the intended device. A switch uses MAC addresses to identify connected devices and decide where the data should go. For example, if computer A sends data to computer B, the switch checks its MAC address table and forwards the data specifically to computer B. This reduces unnecessary traffic and improves network performance. Modern networks, offices, and CCTV systems commonly use switches. A standard switch mainly operates at layer 2, the data link layer. Finally, we have the router. A router has a different job. Instead of simply connecting devices within the same network, a router connects different networks and routes traffic between them. For example, your home router connects your local network to the internet. It uses IP addresses to determine where packets should go. Many home routers also provide features such as DHCP, NAT, firewall protection, and Wi-Fi. So, when your phone accesses a website, the router helps send that traffic from your local network toward the internet and back. So remember this simple rule. Hub equals broadcasts to everyone. Switch equals sends data to the right device. Router equals connects different networks. Understanding these three devices is essential for networking and CCTV installation.